Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by equipping the proper rifle and getting on target. Hold aim now. This is the trigger that enables scoped mode. Once done, press the zoom toggle. On PC, use the mouse wheel or assign zoom key. On controllers, use the right stick click or L2/LT hold plus click depending on control layout. Make sure to steady your aim before adjusting magnification, because the next step refines range and precision. Now you refine distance and clarity by cycling zoom levels. You press the wheel or zoom button repeatedly to step through magnification stages. Each stage narrows your field and increases bullet drop sensitivity. Once you reach the desired zoom, compensate for bullet drop and wind by holding steady and using small aim corrections. Make sure to transition to first person when you need pixel-perfect placement, because scoped first person removes peripheral distractions and helps land head. Finish by validating your holdover and target lead, then take a measured shot. You should use short taps for single, high-damage rounds and watch the bullet arc to adjust subsequent shots. Once fired, observe the impact to refine aim for follow-ups. If zoom does not engage, re-equip the sniper or open settings to ensure zoom binds are assigned. Sometimes weapon mods or HUD modes disable scope cycling, so reset controls or switch to another sniper and try again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.